was on her phone the whole time. Hey, my besties, how you doing? Welcome back to the last episode of Adventure Time. As you all know, your girl is working, so driving is not a huge part of my day anymore. But I still go out, so some of the clips will be added to the vlog in a segment called Who Tried to Kill Me Today? Well, go get your drink and your snack, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Good thing the bus was going slow. This is why I tell y'all to wait 5 seconds when your light turns green. He was in a rush to nowhere. The signs are there for a reason. He likes to live on the wild side. He must have really good insurance. Now, as you can see, I'm getting over.
You gonna hit me, truck? You was really gonna hit me?
No turn signal. He doesn't know how to read. In this universe, stop signs are optional. Since you don't know how to read, I don't think I want you working on my roof. Again, wait 5 seconds. Let me know down in the comments if you hate people who do this. Make a right and then have to make another quick right. Wow. All I can say is wow. You can clearly see that my lane is left turn only. Watch this idiot right here. The idiot that didn't know how to turn left properly is now in front of me, and now he doesn't know where he's going. And no turn signal. The hand is flashing, which means you should not be crossing the street. Of unfortunate events. Please be safe. Don't text and drive. Don't drink and drive. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.